So this is where we are with robotics nowadays. This robot has control of that elevator. So here's the story. I ordered on Meituan, which is like equivalent of Uber Eats, coffee. So it was delivered down to the lobby at this hotel, and they got this Ninebot delivering it out to my room. So we rode the elevator. It has wireless control of the elevator. There's no arm poking at the buttons. So it's got direct access to the computer and the elevator. It knows what floor, it knows when to come out, and now it's heading towards my room. How crazy is that? So let's see what happens here. Around the corner. And, all right, faces the room. It's arrived. And you press. Ah, voila. Okay. Yeah, I'll close the door within 56 seconds or a minute, or you could close it ahead of time. But that's how it goes. All right, let's take a look at how it goes back to the elevator. So it knows there's no objects in front. What if I step in front? What if I lock it? Oh, it's gonna go around me. Yeah, it does go around me. And it's heading back to the elevator. And let's see it go down. Little bump, no problems. Nothing tipped over. It's gonna go to the very last elevator. I think that's the one it has control of. Where are you going now? It says it's waiting for elevator. So it's got voice prompts. So if you're just a passerby, you'll know what's going on. Oh, there, it controlled the elevator. It rang up. It knows it's here. It says, please save me a room in the elevator. All right, see ya.